Welcome to this lesson on payment gateways and online transaction processing. In today's digital economy, understanding how online payments work is essential for anyone involved in e-commerce or digital business. Payment gateways are the invisible infrastructure that makes online shopping possible, connecting customers, merchants, and banks in a matter of seconds. Throughout this video, you'll learn what payment gateways are, how they function, and why they're crucial for modern businesses. A payment gateway is a technology that securely captures and transfers payment information from customers to merchants during online transactions. Think of it as the digital equivalent of a point-of-sale terminal in a physical store. When a customer enters their credit card details on a website, the payment gateway encrypts this sensitive information and transmits it securely to the payment processor and bank for authorization. It acts as the bridge between the online store and the financial institutions that actually move the money. The payment gateway process involves three main steps. First, during customer checkout, the buyer enters their payment details on the merchant's website. Second, the gateway immediately encrypts this data using advanced security protocols to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. Third, the encrypted data is sent to the customer's bank for authorization, where the bank either approves or declines the transaction based on available funds and fraud checks. This entire process typically takes just a few seconds, providing a seamless experience for the customer. Payment gateways offer several critical features that make them indispensable for online businesses. Security is paramount, with payment card industry data security, standard compliance, and secure sockets layer encryption protecting sensitive customer data from breaches. Multi-currency support allows businesses to accept payments in various currencies, enabling global commerce. Fast processing ensures real-time transaction authorization and settlement, keeping business operations running smoothly. Additionally, advanced fraud prevention systems use machine learning and pattern recognition to identify and block suspicious activity before it causes damage. Two of the most popular payment gateway providers are Stripe and PayPal. Stripe has become the go-to choice for developers and tech-savvy businesses, offering a developer-friendly platform with powerful application, programming interfaces, and extensive customization options. It's known for its global reach and ability to handle complex payment scenarios. PayPal, on the other hand, is a trusted consumer brand that offers buyer protection and exceptional ease of use. Many customers prefer PayPal because they can check out without entering their card details on every website, using their existing PayPal account instead. Payment gateways provide numerous benefits for e-commerce businesses. They lead to increased sales by allowing merchants to accept multiple payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and digital wallets, giving customers flexibility in how they pay. They reduce risk because the gateway provider handles security compliance and fraud prevention, lifting this burden from the merchant. Better analytics capabilities allow businesses to track transactions and understand customer behavior patterns, informing marketing and inventory decisions. Finally, quick setup and integration with existing e-commerce platforms mean businesses can start accepting payments within days rather than weeks. Using a payment gateway involves various costs that businesses must factor into their pricing. Transaction fees are the most common, typically ranging from 2 to 3% of each transaction, plus a small fixed fee, such as 30 cents. Some providers charge monthly subscription or maintenance fees for access to their platform and customer support. Setup costs include initial integration and configuration expenses, though many modern gateways have reduced or eliminated these. International fees apply when processing cross-border transactions, covering currency conversion and additional processing requirements. Understanding these costs is crucial for calculating profit margins and choosing the right provider. Selecting the right payment gateway requires careful consideration of several factors. Consider your target market and customer preferences, as different regions and demographics prefer different payment methods. Evaluate the integration complexity with your existing platform, ensuring the gateway works seamlessly with your website or app. Compare transaction fees and pricing structures across multiple providers to find the best value for your transaction volume and average order size. Finally, verify that the gateway has proper security certifications and compliance standards, protecting both your business and your customers. Making the right choice can significantly impact your business's success and customer satisfaction.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.